Hey, Rich here, Rich Lafayette Riding Schools. Just kind of demonstrated to you like a circle drill. 4 simple cones laid out. This is something I learned from Shane Watts, watching Shane Watts, and I'm just saying that because I don't want him to think I'm biting off of him or stealing anything from him, but I did notice this, and it does help. Circle drills such as this, I like to get people to understand that it's about focusing on that middle part of the turn, getting on the gas and getting consistent with the gas. So what I'd like to see here is smooth throttle control throughout the turn, meaning not a lot of gas, just a little gas, but consistent all the way through. But also, you really have to emphasize the weight distribution on the outside foot peg. You're going to slide your butt to the outside of the seat and really focus on pushing down on the outside foot peg. That's going to get traction, help those inside knobs dig into the ground. Here we're dealing with loose gravel. I wish that we had access to a grass track. We don't. That's the best place to practice this drill. But here I demonstrate you can do it just about anywhere. Try and change directions as well. Don't always be going the same direction. Okay, remember, look up through the turn and really focus on that outside peg weight distribution and consistent throttle, not choppy. Thank you, and this is Rich Lafayette.
Okay, so here we have a different kind of circle drill. We have a little bit of a berm. I'm laughing because, dude, I dug this thing in. I drove a stake in the ground, and I don't know, it was like 30 feet all the way across, so I probably dug the stake in the ground and measured out a string like 15 feet, put some marking paint out, and started digging. And it was a killer cardio workout. And back in the day when this happened, I was in shape. Nowadays, it probably would have killed me. But this is a lot of fun. And here we have a berm to push against. So with the berm to push against, you can actually see centered in the seat. You're still pushing on the outside peg, keeping the front wheel down in the bottom of the rut, and kind of just trying to stay consistent with your throttle. This old guy, see playing around with taking your hand off the handlebars, but just trying to keep it consistent, having a little fun with it, and oh, sorry, Tegan kind of screwed up a little bit. Come on, Tegan, pick that bike up. Let's go. But a fun drill, a little bit of work involved. You can make this on a grass track, any kind of open area. It helps you understand like body positioning and throttle consistency. We had a lot of fun with this drill, and it's pretty crazy because like at one time we probably have like 5 to 6 guys on this circle drill at the same time. It's pretty wild. So come on, Dan, pick it up. This is back in the day. The old man still had a little bit of game in him then, because he's still the only one on the track. But nowadays I don't, but it's okay. I love it how the kids keep jumping in. I love seeing kids progress. It's awesome. So, a lot of good time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys. I think another kid jumps in here at some point. So, but keep your leg up. In front of you, yep, there's Medeiros jumps in. Throttle consistency and keeping the front wheel driving. That's the thing, keeping the front wheel driving. So, there's Dieter. Here comes Tegan. We're rolling it in. Oh, man, Tegan, you keep screwing up, buddy. So, it's a good time, and that's how I made that thing. It's a lot of work. There's little Devlin. He's actually on a big bike now. This is when he's on a little bike, so it's pretty crazy. So, good times.